What is happening, y'all? It has been a long time, and a long time since I rode her, to be honest. It's just been, look at this, water leaking there. It's just been too rainy, guys. Not great riding weather here in Virginia. Plus, I injured my hand. This nail is definitely coming off. Yeah. Anywho, I just wanted to make an update video because I haven't made a video in a long time. Jesus, man, we need to fix this. I haven't made a video in a while, you know, just showing y'all her and what I got planned. Definitely trying to ride more because it's just too hot. Like we've had a heat wave, and I know like I sound like a bitch sometimes, but people in Texas probably deal with worse. Florida, you name it. But man, we've been getting like 198, you know, and it's like humid as shit. So I don't even want to ride, you know? So I need to find like a good like cooler day, because she has not been started either. Like I cleaned her, I washed her like maybe 2 weeks ago. And that's the last time I started her. I rode her around like the neighborhood. You know, that's really it. But cleaned her up, lube chain, all that jazz, you know. Still looking clean. I didn't bring a key out. Oh, if you guys didn't know, well, my name is Steel Flex, or Dick, whatever you want to call me. And this is my 2022 XSR900. Yes, this is my only bike. I do want another bike in the future, but as of right now, a lot of things in my life is going on. Like here, let me show you. I'm buying a new car. It is a Toyota RAV4. But yeah, so I'm getting a 2026 Toyota RAV4. Out the door, it's a little steep, man, for a RAV4 Toyota, bro. 45K. But I got the XLE Premium with a panoramic roof. Yes, don't even tell me about the leak, and don't even tell me about structural. I don't give a damn. I want the panoramic. I want the roof, bro. I don't give a damn. It's been out for a while now. It should be good, bro. Like, it's under warranty. It's all good. I don't care. I've always wanted a pano roof. So we're getting that, then plus the color, which is the wind chill pearl, right? It's like another $475 for the color. And then I think they added on like the all-weather cargo mats, which, to be honest, I was gonna take it off and tell them to like scratch it, but I mean, you're still gonna spend like $2 something, $3 something for another pair either way. So might as well just keep it there. And it's Toyota brand. I like OEM stuff anyway, so. I kind of compare Yamaha. I don't know, do y'all do this? I kind of compare Yamaha in the bike world to Toyota, and then Honda is Kawasaki, right? And then the other ones, you know, Ducati's Ferrari or Lamborghini, whatever the case you want to be. And then, yeah, you got your other ones too. Harleys or like your muscle cars, you know? Yeah. But I'm rambling on right now. Trying to ride more, trying to do more with this. I think, I don't know what my other mod would be other than like really serious mod, which is like a, you know, suspension upgrade, the shock upgrade to like the Olin shock. And then I do want to get new tires once these wear out, you know, get some Power Sports, the Power 6s, right, from Michelin. And then what else, man? I guess, you know, it's just cosmetic stuff. Just add some carbon here and there. The things that I want to do is not available here in America, so I want the certain seat cowl that is only in Japan or like in Europe, overseas, right? Look at this guy, he's boring. He's like, I hate when you do these videos. Let me out. It's raining, dude. But I want that. I want that C-Cal, man. If you know what I know, if you know what I'm talking about, you know. It's called the Funnies, CS, whatever. It's called the Funnies, right? C-Cal. It's made in Japan. I would love that, and I would put that on my stock seat so that I can swap from this and that from time to time. That's my dream. But sadly cannot have it. You wanna see the front end? Let's see the front over here. A little better lighting, right? Sorry, man, my garage got trash lighting. How she's been treating me, she hasn't popped up any lights. You know, I've had it for literally since 2022 of October, right? And it's been almost 4 years now. It's been great. No, I honestly had no lights other than like when I changed the exhaust or when I did the tune, right? That's really it. It just goes away. Other than that, I'm not talking to you, dude. Other than that, man, no problems whatsoever. It's reliable. It starts up, even though I don't know if she'll start up right now. I mean, it takes a while, but like, it's just been so long since I started her up. And I don't want to just start her up randomly without riding her, because they say it's not good for your bike to just start her up and just leave it just idling. You gotta ride it if you want to start it up. I mean, that's like if you're winter storing it, right? You know, or like storing it for the winter, that is. What else I want to talk about? Yeah, man, a lot of things can be going in my life. I mean, if you check my travel vlogs, I came back from Vietnam. Like, that's another reason why I haven't ridden in a while. Came back from Vietnam. The grandpa, sadly, he passed away. It's all good, you know. He's very close to me. But that was my man right there. the best dude ever. So still mentally recovering from that, you know, trying to like get back into the groove of riding again. But what I have gotten into is bowling. I got my own bowling ball. Shit, should I show you? It's in my car though. Is my car unlocked? Here, hold on. Oh yeah, and also the Beamer is gone basically. Well, not gone, but it's just not working properly. So, and I haven't sold this Tacoma yet. It is under my name now. I thought I was gonna sell it. I mean, I think we still are gonna sell it because we're gonna use it as a down payment for my RAV, right? We're gonna use it for the down payment. And yeah. I already put a deposit on it. Oh, I can't do it with that thumb. That thumb hurts. So the ball I got, if you guys are into bowling, it is the Raw Hammer, right? Size 14, very clean. Got this little, Amazon bag. Got these Dexters, just regular shoes, nothing crazy, man. I'm just getting into the sport. I'm not really going crazy with it. Let's check it out even more. Dude, you're stepping on the water, dude. Let's check it out some more. All right, it's like a sunflower / like dragon eyeball. Right, Raw Hammer right here. It's drilled to me. So at first, I drilled this to be like a straight bowler. But the other day, since my thumb is hurt, right, I was trying first knuckle and 2 fingering it. And I am slowly becoming a curver, or like, a spinner. Real nice. Yeah, I've been getting into that. Bowling. Call me an unk. Yeah, I need to take her out more. If I do get a second bike, what would you like to see? I've been deciding between a mini bike, like a what is it, CF Papio, CF Moto, something like that, right? I don't know what other bike I'd want. Cause, like I've mentioned this before, like this bike is an all-arounder, right, buddy? Right? It's an all-arounder, man. It's a sport bike. It's a cruiser. It's a adventure bike. It's a cafe racer. Everything, man. It's all in one. All in one. All right, y'all. Hope y'all like this little rants. Hopefully some videos soon. Just hang in there with me. Thank you to all you guys that's been subscribed. I'm not even trying to do this to be anything. I just like to make videos, to be honest. Man, this lighting is so trash, dude. It's the only thing about having a black bike, right? Like, you gotta like really... Damn, this flashlight, that's not even flashlighting. All right, y'all, peace out.